Living in Des Allemands means enjoying the charm of Louisiana's bayou communities, but it also means dealing with a consistently humid climate. High humidity, sudden rain showers, and warm temperatures can make ventilation and moisture control a challenge for homeowners. Choosing the right windows plays a major role in maintaining comfort, protecting your home, and improving energy efficiency. Awning windows are a popular choice for homes in humid environments, and for good reason. Their design and functionality make them especially well suited to handle the unique weather conditions found in Des Allemands. Here are the top benefits of installing awning windows in this humid climate. Improved ventilation without letting rain in. One of the most important advantages of awning windows is their ability to provide ventilation even during rainy weather. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a protective angle that helps block rain from entering the home. In a place like Des Allemands, where brief rain showers can occur frequently, this feature allows homeowners to keep fresh air circulating without worrying about water coming inside. Continuous airflow helps reduce indoor humidity levels, keeping living spaces more comfortable and preventing that heavy, damp feeling often associated with humid climates. Better moisture control indoors. High humidity can lead to moisture buildup inside the home, which may contribute to issues like condensation, mildew, and mold growth. Proper airflow is one of the best ways to manage indoor moisture levels. Awning windows allow warm, humid air to escape while drawing in fresh outdoor air. Installing them in areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms can be particularly helpful because these rooms naturally generate more moisture. With improved ventilation, homeowners can reduce the risk of moisture-related problems and maintain a healthier indoor environment. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is another key benefit of awning windows. When closed, they typically form a tight seal against the frame, helping prevent unwanted air leaks. This strong seal helps keep cool air inside during Louisiana's hot summers while reducing the strain on air conditioning systems. In addition, awning windows can be strategically placed higher on walls to promote natural air circulation throughout the home. As warm air rises, these windows can help release trapped heat, improving airflow and potentially reducing the need for constant air conditioning. Increased home protection during stormy weather. Homes in Des Allemands must be prepared for unpredictable weather patterns, including heavy rains and strong winds. Awning windows offer a practical advantage because their outward opening design can provide extra resistance against rain compared to some other window styles. Many modern awning windows also come with durable frames, secure locking systems, and impact-resistant glass options. These features can help strengthen your home's overall protection while giving homeowners peace of mind during storm season. Versatile design. For any room, awning windows are extremely versatile and can work well in a variety of spaces throughout the home. Their compact design makes them ideal for smaller areas where traditional windows may not fit, such as above kitchen sinks, in bathrooms, or along hallway walls. They can also be combined with larger fixed windows to create a stylish window arrangement that allows both natural light and ventilation. This flexibility makes it easy for homeowners in Des Allemands to enhance the functionality and appearance of their living spaces. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Because awning windows open outward and are often installed higher on walls, they tend to collect less dirt and debris than some other window types. Many models are built with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which can withstand humid conditions without warping or deteriorating quickly. This durability means homeowners can enjoy long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance, even in Louisiana's challenging climate. A smart choice for comfort and efficiency. For homeowners in Des Allemands, installing awning windows can be a smart investment. Their ability to improve ventilation, manage humidity, enhance energy efficiency, and withstand rainy conditions makes them particularly suited for the region's climate. By choosing awning windows, homeowners can create a more comfortable, energy-efficient home while protecting their property from the challenges of high humidity and frequent rain.